जाना है। ओके, तो हम यहाँ पे गूगल सर्च पे गए और यहाँ पे हम सेम वेब एड्रेस टाइप करेंगे h5t.org। आपको h5t.org ही टाइप करना है। सर्च करने पे डायरेक्टली जैसे कि मुझे h5p के विंडो पे लेके गया है ये। ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे आपने ऑलरेडी अपना साइन इन कर दिया है। कल जिनका अकाउंट नहीं था उन्होंने साइन इन कर दिया है और जिनका अकाउंट ऑलरेडी था उन्होंने लॉग इन कर दिया था कल। तो आज हम वही सेम अकाउंट यूज करेंगे और मैं यहाँ पे मेरा अकाउंट ऑलरेडी है तो मैं यहाँ पे लॉग इन करूंगी अपने ईमेल आईडी से। ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरा ईमेल आईडी मैं अपना डाल रही हूँ, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आ गया है। ठीक है, ये ईमेल आईडी मैं h5p के लिए यूज कर रही हूँ। अब यहाँ पे मैं अपना पासवर्ड डालूंगी। ओके, अब यहाँ पे मैंने इसे लॉग इन कर दिया। ठीक है, ओके, अब यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो ये आपकी h5p की वेबसाइट इस तरह से दिखती है। जैसे कि आज हम एक नया कंटेंट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जो कि इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो है। आज हम इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो कैसे बनाया जाता है, इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो क्या होता है, ये जानेंगे। आइए सबसे पहले हम अपना एक सैम्पल वीडियो देखते हैं। ओके, तो यहाँ पे मेरा एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है मैंने जो कि इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो है। इस पर मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ। ठीक है, अब इसे क्लिक करने के बाद एक नई विंडो पे ओपन होता है और ये मेरा वीडियो है। अब मैं इसे प्ले करती हूँ। इंटरनेट बंद है। यहाँ पे मैं एक बार रीलोड कर देती हूँ। ओके, अभी सर इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल टू यू?
Yeah, screen is visible, but video is not playing.
ओके, इस तरह से आपको थोड़े चैलेंजेस आते हैं क्योंकि ये वेबसाइट पे कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप लैग
Once again,
ये
you
हो
go for
जाते
my
हैं।
account and
ओके,
open the thing.
हम दोबारा से एक बार ट्राई करेंगे। मैं लॉग आउट करके फिर से एक बार लॉग इन करती हूँ। ठीक है, कभी कभी ये वेबसाइट स्लो हो जाती है तो आपको थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना है इसके लिए। लॉग इन, यहाँ पे आने के बाद मैं दोबारा से अपना ईमेल आईडी टाइप करूंगी और पासवर्ड टाइप करके लॉग इन करूंगी। सेम यहाँ पे आपको डायरेक्टली दिख जाएगा। ठीक है, अगर जिसको यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा है वो अपने माई अकाउंट पे जाइए। ठीक है, माई अकाउंट में आपको सारे जितने भी आपके वीडियोस या जो भी आपका ट्यूटोरियल रहेगा वो यहाँ पे दिख जाएगा। तो मैं यहाँ पे इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो पे गई। ठीक है, ओके,
Is it not playing, madam? Madam, can you hear me?
मेरी आपसे सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, जो भी अभी फिलहाल आप H5P की वेबसाइट ओपन कर रहे हैं और लॉगिन कर रहे हैं, अभी आप ना कीजिए। आपको इस सेशन का रिकॉर्डिंग
Share your
प्रोवाइड किया
screen.
जाएगा, आप
Share
उसको
your
बाद में
screen.
प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे शायद ट्रैफिक ज़्यादा बढ़ने से ये वेबसाइट ठीक से लोड नहीं हो रही है। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, प्लीज़ आप H5P की वेबसाइट ना खोलें फिलहाल। आपको इसका वीडियो भी दिया जाएगा, आपको टाइम भी दिया जाएगा असाइनमेंट के लिए।
Madam, can you hear us?
ओके, तो आप ये देख पा रहे हो, ये वीडियो
Can you
फिलहाल
hear me,
नहीं
madam?
चल रहा
Hello.
है। आई थिंक यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इशू हो रहा है, ठीक है। तो आप ये वीडियो देख पा रहे हो, ठीक है। जब ये वीडियो चलता है, ठीक है, जब ये वीडियो एक पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे आता है, ओके, ठीक है।
Is my audio, sir, is my audio visible, sorry, audible to all the participants? Sir, please put a thumbs up symbol. Is my audio audible to all the? Yes, thank you, Jignesh Shah, sir. Thank you, thank you. I can see you. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Jignesh, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have some issues. Please bear with us, or else let me handle this session directly by me. Please, please. let me let me give a last chance for that resource person. If at all if anything thing goes wrong, let me handle the session. But I'm not fluent in Hindi. You people have to bear with me, because I know I don't know much of Hindi. Let me start the session directly by me. Please bear with me. I will give you last 1 to 2 chance to Miss Leena Jain. If at all she gets the same problem, let me start doing my session. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much. Okay, no issues. So very good. Once again, very good afternoon to all. So as I tell, we have to go for h5p.org. हम तो ये गूगल पर जा सकते हैं, वो h5p.org जस्ट हमें क्लिक कर सकते हैं. यहाँ देखिए आप h5p create and share. Sir Jignesh sir, can you hear my voice? Put a thumbs up. Yes sir, thank you. Because today in today's session I will test you. Thank you. Yes, this is my profile page. So हम तो एक प्रोफाइल पेज को आगे यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं आप. ये है हमारी H5P पेज है. यहाँ पर हमें लॉगिन जा सकते हैं. जस्ट लॉगिन पर आप जा सकते हैं. यहाँ देखिए आप हमारी वो H5P पेज कंटेंट पेज है. मैं तो आपको दिखाएगा मेरी already I have made some audio. आप देख सकते हैं.
Hello kids, do you know how plants make their own food? No? Well, leaves. This system works similar to humans sucking liquids through a straw. The xylem is spread throughout the different parts of the plant, including the stem, branches, and all the way up to the leaves. The xylem transports vital nutrients to the entire plant. Xylems in the plant are like blood vessels in the human body that act as an important means of transportation of water and nutrients. Leaves.
या आप देख सकते हैं हमके लिए एक क्वेश्चन पहुंचगा, एक न्यू विंडो पॉपअप हो गया है। यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन पहुंच गया है। We got one question. The tube in the plants that transmits phytonutrients is called dash. मैं तो टाइप करेगी xylem and मैं तो क्लिक करेगी check, मैं तो कंटिन्यू कर देंगे।
Very similar to the pole.
ये वीडियो इट्स कीप ऑन मूविंग, ये फॉरवर्ड चलता है। वही है इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो। वो इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो इंटरेक्ट करेगा स्टूडेंट्स के पास, स्टूडेंट और वीडियो के पास इंटरेक्ट करेगा, वही है इंटरेक्टिव वीडियो। आज हम देखेंगे कैसे ये बना सकते हैं थ्रू H5P, कैसे में बना सकते हैं हम तो देखेंगे। यूजुअल प्रोसीजर है नया। If you want to go for new thing, just try out with H5P। आप तो क्लिक करेगा, यहां पर आप देख सकते हैं सर्च कंटेंट है। यहां पर मैं तो टाइप करेगा इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो। मैं तो क्लिक करेगा इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो। ये है हमारा पेज है इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो। आप देख सकते हैं ये है टाइटल, और अपलोड एम्बेडेड वीडियो, एड इंटरैक्शंस, समरी ऑफ द टास्क। ये 3 स्टेप्स है इस पर इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो पर। वी हैव 3 स्टेप्स इन इट। सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव योर टाइटल एज फिग ट्री। ध्यान दीजिए, हम तो इट इज फिग ट्री इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो। मैं तो मेरा टाइटल आई हैव गिवन द टाइटल एज टाइटल फ्री इंटरैक्टिव वीडियो। ये है मैंडेटरी है, एस्टेरिक सिंबल है, सो ये है मैंडेटरी है, हमें टाइटल डाल सकते पड़ेगा। नाउ आई एम स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन। यहां आप देख सकते हैं इन स्टेप 1 पर एड अ वीडियो, अपलोड इज 16 MB। वो हम तो ये स्टेप पर वी नीड अ वीडियो बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू पुट, हम तो इंटरेक्शंस वो वीडियो पर डाल सकते हैं। वो है हमारा 16 MB लिमिट हो सकते हैं। मैं तो आप यहाँ क्लिक करेगा, यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप अपलोड वीडियो फाइल है। यहाँ अपलोड वीडियो फाइल अगर हम तो है हमारा पास है in our PC, if at all we have any upload file, we can upload it here. If we don't have any file, we can go for YouTube। हमें YouTube जा सकते हैं, वहां पर एक URL कॉपी कर सकते हैं या पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। मैं तो जाएगा ऊपर देखिए न्यू टैब है, वो मैं क्लिक करेगा। वहां से मैं तो गूगल पर टाइप करेगा फिग ट्री, हमारा टाइटल है फिग ट्री वीडियो। मैं तो टाइप करेगा a little fig tree YouTube video। सॉरी, आप देख सकते हैं ये है लिटिल फिग ट्री वीडियो। आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इंटरेक्शंस। मैं तो ये वीडियो पर क्वेश्चंस पूछेगा। So I'm going to right click this one and I'm going to copy this video URL. Please make a note it। just मैं तो right click करेगा, ऑप्शन 2 है, मैं वो ऑप्शन को चूज करेगा, वो है कॉपी वीडियो URL। मैं फिर वो H5P विंडो क्लिक करेगा। यहाँ देखिए आप प्लीज नोट कर दीजिए, ये है कॉपी वीडियो URL। जस्ट लेफ्ट क्लिक कर, we have to click left click and just give Control V, or else right click and paste it। दो भी कर सकते हैं हमें, और Control V भी डाल सकते हैं। So after giving this Control V, I am going to put this insert button। आप देख सकते हैं हमारा वीडियो ये स्टेप 1 पर अपलोड एम्बेडेड हो गया है, आप देख सकते हैं. If you want to remove this file, you can remove this file. If you want to remove this, you can remove this file also. You can see this option. You can remove this. See, I will show you just removing it. Yes, confirm. हमारा फाइल तो रिमूव हो गया है. फिर ऐड कर सकते हैं. कंट्रोल V दे. I am going to insert it. So हम तो ये स्टेप 1 कंप्लीट हो गया. हमारा तो स्टेप 1 कंप्लीट हो गया. हम तो ऐड इंटरेक्शंस देना पड़ेगा. मैं तो क्लिक करेगा स्टेप 2. प्लीज I'm requesting you that my Hindi is not some I don't know Hindi really. By seeing some movies and all I have learned Hindi. So please on behalf of UTA and I request, if at all I'm making mistake, please pardon me. Once again, please pardon me. That's it. I will use bilingually. Hindi as well as English, I will use it, please. So this is add interaction step 2. हम तो ये step 2 पर आएगा. ये step 2. ये step 2 पर sorry, we are now step 2. In this step 2, we are going to make some interactions. You can see here, we are now in the interaction. I'm going to play this video. Just see this.
Once upon a time, there lived a little fir tree. It was unhappy with its needle-like leaves.
All the trees have beautiful green leaves, but my leaves are like needles.
A magician named Shetty was returning home by that way. Suddenly, it started to rain. Shetty ran fast and stood under the pretty little fir tree. Soon,
Yes, I've stopped the video now. I've stopped the video now. मैं तो वीडियो स्टॉप कर दिया. I want to put a question here. I want to put a question at this point. What is the some question? See here, आप देख सकते हैं, there are 15 types of tools here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 15 type. I am going to choose here multiple choice. यहाँ देखिए, when I bring this cursor near to this, you can see that multiple choice question. So I am going to click this multiple choice. As soon as I clicked this multiple choice, you can see that, you can see this display. We have got a multiple choice display button. Here, I'm going to, this is the display time. What is display time? The display time is nothing but we are going to type here the time, how long our question should appear. So I'm going to delete this one, 0:45. ये display time भी मैं तो देगा 0:45. Let the display time be 0:45 and the time भी देगा मैं 0:45 because I want that question to appear 1 second बस. आप नीचे देख सकते हैं वो है pass video because my video should pass exactly at that point. So I'm going to give this pass video. I have given the pass video. मैं तो click और display button choose कर दिया. मैं तो scroll down करेगा. यहाँ देख सकते हैं label. मैं omit करेगा label. I don't want label. यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप title. वो title है untitled multiple choice. I'm going to delete this multiple choice. Let it be multiple choice हो गया. मैं तो क्वेश्चन टाइप करना चाहिए. आई एम गोइंग टू टाइप हियर what is the name of magician. So ये हमारा क्वेश्चन. Those who are using mobile, you can zoom your screen, and those who are using laptop, if you couldn't see this screen clearly, you can press control, and you put the plus button, type plus button, you can zoom your screen. That's it. So what is the name of the magician? This is the first question. हमको 3 choice देना पड़ेगा. First choice I'm giving Matti, M-U-T-T-Y, Matti. This is not correct. वो wrong है ना answer. So मैं तो ये correct option. I'm not going to enable this. मैं तो enable करेगा नहीं. I'm now going to scroll down. You can see this next option. I'm now giving here Shetty. So this Shetty is correct. Shetty correct है. मैं तो ये correct box को enable करेगा. You can see this. I have enabled the correct option. Now you can see this. I am scrolling down, scrolling. I want to add one more option. I'm just clicking this add option. I'm giving here once again Betty, B-E-T-T-Y, Betty. This is not correct, so I'm not going to enable this button. Let me recap. Please see that I have stopped exactly the video at 45th second. I want a question to be popped up at 45th second. So मैं तो display time यहाँ रखेगा. वो default आएगा आपको display time. But I want to keep the display time as 0:, not dot, 0:45 or 0:45. मैं तो रख दिया इधर. नीचे जरा नीचे यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप past video. I have given here past video because my video should stop. So I have given past and default मैं तो एक display button है, एक button है, click कर दिया. Now I am going down. You can see this title is multiple choice. Now I am scrolling little down. You can see I am typed what is the name of the magician. Matti, Shetty, Betty. मैं तो 3 ऑप्शन ये क्वेश्चन पर इनकॉर्पोरेट कर रहा है. Now I have given Shetty is the correct answer. So I have enabled this correct option for Shetty. You can see here I have enabled this correct option for Shetty. Now you can see now I am scrolling little down, and now I am going to give here done button. As soon as I give done, it has lead us to second. Now we are in the step 2. You can see this. ये है seek bar play bar है. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं. There is a node appeared here, a small round node. This is called question node. You can see when I bring this node near, you can see this multiple choice. So our question has been embedded in the video. Now हमें देख सकते हैं कैसी वो question appear display पर हमको देख सकते हैं. हमें we are going down. So please don't disturb. Let me do. Please don't disturb. No. Please don't. Please don't. So I'm going down. And now I'm going to save this. See, please don't forget to save the video. We have to save this video because save option is very important for to view our content. We need to save the video. So I have given save video. Please wait for a while. We have some network issues. If at all anyone is doing parallelly, please don't do that. Don't go parallelly to the H5P interactive video because due to the network issues, we couldn't log into the issues. We have some login issues. Please, those who are using laptop parallelly, you don't go for H5P. See, as I told, we have more network issues in this H5P. I request the participants please not to use this H5P content because we have more network issues in it. I request the participants. Yes, you can see now. I'm going to log in. See, we came for login. This is the video which we are going to view here. You can see this. This is the video. We have saved the video. Because of the network issue, it made me to come out. See, now I will play this video. You can see this one. Please just listen it. I'm going to play this video.
Once upon a time there lived a little fir tree. It was unhappy with its needle-like leaves.
All the trees have beautiful green leaves, but my leaves are like needles.
A magician named Shetty was returning home by that way. Suddenly, it started to rain. Shetty ran fast and stood under the pretty little fir tree.
Yes, as soon as you can see that exact at 45th second, the video has stopped. Now I'm going to press this button. You can see we have got a popped up question. What is the name of the magician? Now I'm going to give this answer as Matti and I'm going to check it. You can see the answer it is wrong. We are getting show solution, retry and continue. If think that a child by giving wrong answer, if he presses this button continue,
Soon
what
the
happens?
rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not.
So the video, it moves forward. The video keeps on moving forward. So this is the problem. So I don't want to happen this one until and unless the child answers correctly. He should not skip the question. That is my objective. That was my objective. Now where to do some, I want to give some changes. मैं तो जरा changes देने पड़ेगा वो edit page पर. You can see this. This is view. Now we are going to click this edit. Where is edit? Near to view there is edit. I'm going to click this edit. You can see this one. As soon as I click edit, it has lead us to step 1. Now we are in the step 1, but we are going to edit in the step 2. So I have clicked step 2. Now due to time constraint, we can move this button. हम तो ये बटन को मूव कर सकते हैं and देखो, just I move. This is the question. See this button, it can be moved. It can be moved, and this is edit, and this is copy. Copy कर सकते हैं, bring front, send to back, delete भी कर सकते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए वो सही 5-6 ऑप्शंस हमको मिलेगा. Now I want to edit this. See, the second option is edit. Now I'm going to click this edit. As soon as I clicked this edit, already what we did, we got that page. You can see this display time, pause video, all the options here. Now I'm scrolling little down. You can see this down. There is behavioral settings. हम तो कोई नहीं करेगा behavioral settings पर. आप देखिए adaptivity को क्लिक करिए. Action on all correct. If the action on all correct is done, so students, we are not going to disturb anyone if he gives correct answer. Okay. What is action on wrong? Just click it action on wrong, scroll it little down. आप देख सकते हैं, seek to enter time code in the format ms minute:seconds. I want the child to go little back because you can see this display time. We have stopped the question exactly at 45th second. You can see this. Exactly at 45th second we have stopped, and I want the video to go back 10 seconds back. So I'm typing 0:35. So I'm giving, because this video will go back because the child don't know whether he is answering the correct answer or not. So the video will go back and play what is the name of the magician. It will play back and it will once again come to the 45th second. That was my motive. So I've given 35 seconds and I'm scrolling little down. I'm not going to disturb anything. I'm not going to type message और लेबल फॉर सिक बटन मैं तो कोई नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं require full score for task before proceeding. So I'm going to enable this button. You can see this require full score for task before proceeding. I'm going to enable this button. I've enabled this button. You can see this blue color is visible. So I made two changes. Action on wrong, I gave 0:35, and down I gave require full score before task proceeding. Now because we made some changes, we have made some changes in the box, so we have to click this done. As soon as we click this done, we want to view the page. So if you want to view the page, you please go to this save. You have to give save. So I'm going to click this save button. So I've clicked this save button. So it has lead me to this view page. Now I'm going to play this. Due to time constraint, I'm moving this button little fast.
And stood under the pretty little fir tree.
आप देख सकते हैं. A question has popped up. What is the name of the magician? A question suddenly it has popped up. Now I'm going to give Matti as the answer. I'm going to check it. See, you can see that in the previous there was show solution, there was retry, but now we are not getting anything. We are getting just continue. मैं तो continue button प्रेस करेगा. आप देख सकते हैं. Yes, you can see now the question it is stopped at 45th second. This video goes back. See this node. This is the node. Video goes back 10 seconds. You can see this time here 36, and it plays back, and just see that.
And stood under the pretty little fir tree.
Yes, once again the video goes back. The student will know what is the exact name of magician. So at last he will type here, click here Shetty, and now I'm going to check it. See, now the answer is correct. Now I'm going to press this continue button.
So when the rain stopped, Shetty was happy that he did not get wet.
Thank you.
Yes, you can see that After giving correct answer, the video moves forward. I have a doubt that whether we can give one more question into this video. Let us see. Just scroll करने पड़ेगा जरा. आप देख सकते हैं view बाजू है edit. I am going to click this edit. I told you already, as soon as we click this edit, it will lead me to the step 1. We are going to click this step 2. We are going to give questions here. हम तो यहाँ पर second question try कर सकते हैं या add interactions पर. So due to time constraint, I am moving this play button to this 45th second. I am now playing this video. Just please listen. I am playing this video.
Rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet.
Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes, and I will grant them.
Thank you.
Shetty returned home.
Yes. Here, Shetty has rewarded 4 wishes to this fig tree. Shetty has rewarded 4 wishes. So, for this one, I want to make one more question in it. You can see that I told here there are 15 types of question. You can label it, you can text it, you can give statement, you can give single choice set, you can give multiple choice, you can give true or false. So I am going to click true or false. As soon as I click this true or false, you can see this. Here you can see, and देख सकते हैं true or false question. See this display time. We have stopped the time exactly at 1 minute 8 seconds. So the display time here shows 1 minute 8 seconds 99 milliseconds. Now I'm going to delete it. I'm keeping 1 minute 8 seconds. And now same here also it is 1 minute 18 seconds. I'm giving 1 minute 8 seconds. So we should not forget to pause this video. If at all we miss this pause, the video won't stop. It will keep on moving forward. Now this default button has been clicked, and now I'm going to scroll down. I'm not going to disturb this label. See the title, it is true or false. I'm going to give this title as true or false. The question is, I'm going to type magician rewarded 3 wishes. Sorry. 3 wishes to the fig tree. So this is my statement. Actually, magician rewarded 4 wishes, but I have given magician rewarded 3 wishes to the fig tree. So here default it is in true, but our statement is not true. I am giving false. हमारा statement है false है. So मैं तो false को click करना पड़ेगा. I have given false. Now I am scrolling little down. Here it is adaptivity. I am going to click this adaptivity. Action on all correct. I am not going to disturb it. I am leaving as it is. Action on wrong. If students makes mistake, I am going to click action on wrong. I'm just scrolling it. You can see this enter time code. As we gave in the first question, we are going to give, if we give the time code, this will go back, this video will go back and it will play from where the exact answer is there. From there to once again, it will play till 1 minute 8 seconds. So I'm giving 0 colon 55. 0 colon 55. Please make a note of it. Time should be given in colon, not semicolon, or not full stop or any apostrophe, you have to give 0:55, and I'm not going to disturb anything. I am going to give here require full score before task proceeding. I've enabled this button. Once again, I'm going top. I'm recapturing. Please ध्यान से देखिए. I'm going to give second question in this interactive video. मेरा second question है true or false. मैं तो वीडियो को 1 minute 8 second पर I have stopped that video. You can see the time, the 1 minute 8 second. I want my question to appear at 1 minute 8 second. So I have given the display time 1 minute 8 second. Now I'm scrolling little down. I have given the question true or false. And I have given adaptivity. This statement is false. Magician rewarded 3 wishes to the fig tree. This statement is false. And I have given false. And I'm scrolling little down. Action on all correct. I'm not going to disturb action on all correct. And I've given action on wrong. I've clicked action on wrong. The video will go back 55 seconds. That from 55 seconds, the video will play and it will come to once again to 1 minute 8 seconds and it will play. Now down, I have given require full score for task before proceeding. I have enabled this. Now I have made changes and now I'm going to give this done. Now you can see this one. Please, ध्यान से देखिए. We have got second node here. You can see this one. This is our second question. Let us see. Let us go to the view page by clicking this save button. How our question appears in the second. So don't forget to click this save. You have to click this save. I have given save. Now I am scrolling little down. As already we have seen the first question. We have wasted more time. So I am going to scroll this button little front.
Shetty was happy that he did not get wet.
Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes, and I will grant them.
Thank you.
Shetty returned home.
Yes, exactly. आप देख सकते हैं 1 minute 8 second. At exactly at 1 minute 8 second, we have got second question. Magician rewarded 3 wishes to the fig tree. I am going to click this true and I am going to check this. You can see here, wrong answer hai, galat hai. So it asks us to continue. See, if at all I'm going to click this and I'm going to click this button, you can see the answer, pop-up window. You need to answer all the questions correctly before continuing. You will get this message. Now once again I'm going to back and I'm going to click this continue button.
I would like to reward you.
Yes.
Ask for 4 wishes, and I will grant them.
Yes. You can see the video goes back to 55th second. Now the video is exactly at 1 minute. It has gone 5 seconds. It plays from 5 seconds, 55th second, and it plays. So you can see now.
Thank you.
Shetty returned home.
Yes. Once again, I got this question. So now I'm giving the correct answer as false. Now I'm going to check this one. It's correct. Now I'm going to click this. So we have answered the 2 questions.
The tree thought for a while.
So we have incorporated 2 questions. All the 2 are correct. You can see this last, there is a star button. You can see this one at the end of the video. There is star. Just I'm going to click this star. As soon as I clicked, you can see this summary. How many questions submitted? I have answered only 1 question because I didn't answer first question. You can see this total summary I will get. We can give this video to the children. They can answer all the answers. At last, we can click this summary. They can take screenshot, or we can see it in the big monitor whether they are doing it correct or wrong. We can check whether all the questions has been answered by the each and every child. This is the purpose of this star button. At last, if you click the star button, you will get this total summary of this interactive video. That's it. Now I will go once again back. So this is the interactive video. Likewise, we can put 2 questions or more than 2 questions into this video. And how to copy this video? Let me go back. Click this my account. You can see this one. Already there is Fit 3 interactive video. I'm going to right click this one. Sorry. Just right click this one. You can see this copy link address. I'm going to copy this link address, and now I'm opening the Google form. I'm opening the Google form. You can see this. This is the Google form of yesterday. Today also we will send you the same type of Google form question. In this, create an interactive e-content using memory game. But today you are going to create interactive video using 2 questions. You have to give you can select any video, and you are about to give 2 questions, and just right click this one and you can paste it here. You can see this, the node has been pasted, or else delete this one and you can give Control V. The node will be pasted here and you can submit your assignments. So no need of going to this Google Drive and save this interactive video. This is the tool regarding this interactive video, the video in which we can incorporate 2 or 3 questions into it. More than 2 questions we can incorporate, and we can see the students whether they are answering it or not. We can do it perfectly. We can check the students correctly. So it's a very good interactive tool for the student in this H5P. Now I request the participants. I will open my chat box. Yeah, I opened the chat box. You can post your questions here. First of all, I request, I'm very sorry because we couldn't give you the asset. I couldn't give you the session in English. Please, really very sorry for that. Yes, download. You are going to copy the video in the URL. You are going to copy this YouTube URL and you are pasting it. No, you can't save this in the PC. As I told, this is online source. You can't paste it. You will all, if you go into that H5P, you will have all your video in it. 16 MB, if you have your own video, you will have some 16 MB in it. Yes, many of the participants kept me motivated that don't ask, sorry sir, even though you are using 2 languages, the session was good. Thank you. Yes, you can delete the content page. You can delete the content page. You can scroll down. after going selecting into the content, you can scroll down and you can delete your content also. No, the question is that it is not mandatory to keep that question at exactly at 45th second. My choice I kept at 45th second, and my choice I kept at 1 minute 5th second. You can keep any time, at any time you can keep your question there. You can choose your things. Yes, you can take any Hindi language videos. As yesterday told, you can incorporate Hindi questions also. You can put Hindi questions also. Yes, as I told last in the summary, when you click that star button, you will get what are the sessions answered by the store, what are the questions answered. You will get the summary, and that thing can be screenshot by the students and they can send you. You can send this H5P node through the WhatsApp to your students. They will do the thing, and they will in turn they will send you. See, adaptivity, no. See, if at all I made a mistake, I want the children to learn exact what is the name of the magician, whether it is Shetty or Betty. So I made the video to go back little 10 to 15 seconds. I played that video, and once again it came for exactly at 45th second. So he can answer it. That's the thing. The child will learn exactly what is the name of the magician. That was my point. No. Teach. They can't edit. Students can view only. Yes, you please use only copyright-free videos. Only you can use copyright-free videos. Yes, you can get score for every child. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Already that the time is getting delayed. Let me request few participants to give the feedback of this session. Now I request Ms. Purvi Mehta. I will unmute you, madam. I request all the participants, if you want, you can raise your hand so that I will see your hands up, and you can put thumbs up so that I will give you chance to give some feedback. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. All 5 days were very informative. This was the second UTA session what I have attended, and I'm really thankful to you and your entire UTA team. Once again, thank you, sir. It was very informative for all of us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Now I request Jignesh Shah. I will unmute, sir. Sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, we can't hear you. Sir, remove the. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It was a very interactive session. From the first day when we started, we thought on that what kind of knowledge we are going to update it in this post-corona time. But as and when the days went on, the things became very, very interesting, and we were waiting for the time exactly by 2 o'clock to shut down all other works and come down and sit down in front of the laptop and the mobile to see what new things we are going to learn.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
One difficulty that I was facing at the time was uploading that video, because as and when I went to the Google part, and from the Google part, when the link was being copied, it showed something different, unknown, something like that. That was the difficulty I was facing just now.
Okay, that we will clear you, sir, in that session.
Okay, fine. Otherwise, everything, it was very, very informative. If you try to fill, and if you can plan it out, you can give us a chance once again to go for such kind of 5 days of session once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Now I request Geetanjali Goyal, madam. Madam, I am trying to unmute you.
आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू सर? मैं आप
Yes,
क्या
sir.
आप सुन
Yes.
सकते हैं मुझे?
Yes, madam. Yes, I am audible. You are
ओके
audible.
सर, मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते सभी को। मैं यूटीए की पूरी टीम को थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि मेरे को इस सेशंस को अटेंड करने के लिए लिंक्स भेजे गए। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू। और सबसे बड़ी चीज, मैं उन टॉपिक्स के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो जो चीजें, मैं बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स अटेंड कर रही हूँ इन दिनों, आई थिंक आप सब भी अटेंड कर रहे होंगे, बट जो छोटी छोटी चीजें यहाँ पर ध्यान में रखी हुई सॉफ्टवेयर्स को सिखाते हुए, वो शायद मैंने किसी और वेबिनार में नहीं देखी है, कहीं भी नहीं सेशंस में अटेंड की है, कि बहुत बारीक बारीक चीजों पे ध्यान दिया गया। वेरी मैन्यूट थिंग्स विच वी पीपल मेक मिस्टेक्स एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल वर्किंग। और सबसे बड़ी चीज, जो YouTube लिंक्स शेयर किए गए हमारे साथ, वो बहुत ही हेल्पफुल थे कि अगर किसी नेटवर्क की वजह से या किसी भी कारण से हमारा कुछ पार्ट रह गया एट द टाइम ऑफ सेशन, तो हम वहां से रिकवर कर सकते थे उस चीज को। प्लस इतने सारे वेबिनार्स हैं जिनके सर्टिफिकेट्स इन दिनों, इन 2 महीने में मैंने गेन किए हैं वेबिनार्स को अटेंड करके। बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट वेबिनार सेशन, वेबिनार सीरीज, जहां पर मैं प्रैक्टिकली काम को अपलोड करने के बाद सर्टिफिकेट गेन करूंगी। दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट कि हम सीख रहे हैं, उसको सीख के सिर्फ साइड में नहीं रख रहे हैं, हम उसको प्रैक्टिस करके अपने काम को शो करके एक्चुअली में अर्न कर रहे हैं सर्टिफिकेट को। रियली वेरी थैंकफुल टू द यूटीए टीम। आई होप कि मैं दोबारा भी इसके साथ कनेक्टेड हूँ, और जितने भी सेशंस आ गए हो, प्लीज लेट मी नो कि मैं इन सेशंस को दोबारा ज्वाइन कर पाऊँ। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Now I request Mr. Simon Peter Paul, sir. He is our UTA Pondicherry total head of he is the coordinator of Universal Teachers Academy. On behalf of all the participants and UTA Maharashtra, now I request our Simon Peter Paul, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Please. Thank you.
सभी को शुभ संध्या। वर्कशॉप में सम्मिलित हुए सभी प्रतिभागियों को मैं बधाई देता हूँ। मैं उन रिसोर्स पर्सन को भी बधाई देना चाहता हूँ जिन्होंने यूटीए कार्यों में सहयोग दिया है। That's what I learned Hindi. Thanks to my friend. Hope I am audible. Really, I appreciate all the participants for joining this workshop. And really, I am very happy with the feedback. And also, I want to thank all the resource person again. And also, sorry for the bad Hindi which I spoke. And I thank all the resource persons. These resource persons are our UTA family members. They have already attended all our 3 phases, UTA phases. We have conducted about 25-day workshops. Phase 1 is 10 day and phase 2 is 10, and the phase 3 is 5 day. So totally we have conducted 25 days, and really I appreciate all the resource persons because we plan to give content in Hindi. I want to give this session in all the regional languages. We are planning for that. And I thank them because we had really around 3 to 4 demo classes. Even yesterday, I think one ma'am had classes at midnight at 12 o'clock. But unfortunately, the internet connection is poor, I think so. So that was the issue, I think so. I appreciate all the resource person who rendered their valuable time to this UTA, and they are also the UTA family. And I also request you all to join us, to support us. The main ultimate goal of UTA is to share the knowledge. So sharing of knowledge is our ultimate goal. Teach, train, and transform, which is our motto. But the main motto is what we think is that we want to share our knowledge. Today you might have learned something new. I hope so. If you are learning, you just transform this knowledge to your friends or your colleague, because when you are sharing your knowledge, it means that you are teaching. You are teaching the thing which you have learned now. Right? When you are teaching the thing which you have learned, then it will be very concrete in your mind. So I request all the participants to share this knowledge to your friends. Hopefully, I want everyone to join this UTA. The main ultimate goal is knowledge sharing. And the thing is that we have around 40 lakhs teachers in our country. Till now, we have reached 15,000 teachers till now for the past 2 months. I want this knowledge, this ICT skills to be shared to the remote area teachers. So that's what we focused on Hindi language. But later on, we know that we want to teach in Marathi also and also in Gujarati. So we are planning for the resource persons. So what is our ultimate goal is we want to reach the unprivileged teachers who couldn't get any ICT. So that is the problem. We want to reach the people. So I request if you want to act as a resource person in your regional language, maybe Gujarati or Marathi or any language or Punjabi, it's up to you. If you are interested, you can send us through your feedback, and I'm sure we will have some demo classes and we can reach the unprivileged teachers. Till now, we couldn't reach all the teachers in the rural area. So this is our main motto. So I want all the participants, at least I need around 10 to 15 resource persons from this group. So if you are interested, if you want to support this UTA, you can do that. Already ma'am might have told that about the UTA, that it is the organization, it is a non-profit organization, it is run by the government school teachers. It is not like corporate or a separate NGO, it is a set of teachers. We the teachers running this organization for the past 2 years. It started during the 2009. For the past 2 years, we are working on the teachers' professional development. And also I thank the rapporteur and also especially Mr. Srinivasan for taking this workshop, one man army. And also I thank Mr. Purushothaman, who is working everything from the back end. Thank you, Purushothaman sir. And also I thank all the resource persons. And one more thing, what I want to tell is that you share this knowledge to your friends, and also if you want to join this UTA, we are having around 28 chapters across our nation. If you want to establish in a state, you can contact Mr. Srinivasan, or else you are having we are having the resource persons. We are having organizers in Maharashtra and also in Gujarat, and they will support you. And really, I am so happy and thank you all for joining this. And I congratulate Mr. Srinivasan and Purushothaman again, and also a resource person. Really, you spared us a lot. You spared us many nights and many hours. Thank you so much. Let's share our knowledge in future. Thank you, Srinivasan sir, and Purushothaman, and also all the resource persons. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So this is our UTA coordinator. He is our coordinator. He is the founder. So thank you for your wonderful feedback, sir. Thank you. So as sir told, I request all the participants, please join our UTA family. Let's travel together. Let's share our knowledge. Let's transform the students and teachers in the whole perspective. That is our motive. Please join hands, and today within evening you will get all the YouTube link, feedback form and assignment form. You will get all the things, and when you will receive the certificate also, we will be messaging you in the WhatsApp group. Please bear with us. Thank you. Now let me officially end the meeting. Thanks for your wonderful cooperation. And at this time, I thank all the resource persons of UTA and Maharashtra. Thank you once again. Let me recall the names, if at all I'm correct. First session, Cinderella madam and Sucharita madam, Anju Chaplet, Hiral Modi sir, Leena madam, and Malavika madam, Farida madam. So individually I want to name them because they made a wonderful session, because this mission was success because of them. And I want to thank my friend Mr. Purushothaman sir, was behind me everything. He was the one. He is our mastermind of UTA, And at this time, I want to thank Mr. Purushottam sir for his wonderful things, who made the brochure, who is going to do this assignment forms and all. He's the one man army. So thank you, thanks a lot, and let me officially end the meeting. Thank you. Rest of the things we will communicate in the group. Thank you, sir. Thank you.